Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best marine fuse is probably one of the most overlooked, yet critical, safety features on your boat. These small but mighty components are the unsung heroes, working tirelessly to protect your vessel's electrical systems from potential damage caused by overcurrents or short circuits. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of marine fuses, exploring their importance and helping you choose the right ones for your specific needs. Number 5. Blue Sea Systems 5026 Fuse Block, 12 Circuit. This fuse block simplifies your wiring. It combines multiple circuits and fuses into one convenient unit. This makes it easier to manage and protect your electrical system. The positive distribution bus features a #10-32 stud. This allows for secure and reliable connections. It ensures efficient power distribution throughout your system. You can use this for circuits that need constant power. This is ideal for applications requiring continuous operation. It offers flexibility in your electrical setup. The cover meets safety standards for insulation. It includes a push-button latch for easy access to fuses. This design prioritizes safety and user convenience. It also provides storage for 2 spare fuses. This ensures you're prepared for any unexpected issues. It's a practical feature for quick fuse replacement. The unit uses tin-plated copper for its buses and fuse clips. This material enhances conductivity and corrosion resistance. It guarantees long-lasting performance. What we like. This fuse block consolidates multiple circuits, making your wiring cleaner and more organized. It's also designed for 24-hour circuits, which is perfect for applications that need constant power. If you're looking for a reliable and safe solution for your marine electrical system, this is the one for you. What people say. The split-circuit design was exactly what I needed, because I needed some circuits on battery power, like the radio clock, and some circuits on ignition only, like gauges. This product has a split bus that allows for 6 circuits on each of the 2 buses, which allowed me to connect 2 different voltages, one on each bus. I also like the clear plastic cover so you can see the blade fuses. Number 4. Automotive Fuse Kit, Standard and Mini Blade Fuses. This automotive fuse kit is essential for any vehicle owner. It helps protect your car's electrical system from short circuits and overloads, ensuring everything runs smoothly. The fuses are made of high-quality zinc alloy with a transparent cover. The color-coded design makes it easy to identify the right fuse for the job, saving you time and hassle. This kit includes both standard and mini fuses in the 14 most common amperages. You'll have the right fuse on hand for almost any situation, from cars to trucks and boats. This kit is suitable for most vehicles, including cars, trucks, marine vehicles, SUVs, and travel trailers. It's a versatile solution for all your automotive fuse needs. The package includes 140 fuses and a fuse puller. It provides all the sizes you need, with 10 of each amperage. The included puller makes it easy to replace fuses quickly and safely. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of fuses, covering all the common sizes you'll need. The color-coded design makes it easy to identify the right fuse quickly. If you're looking for a complete and convenient fuse solution for your car, truck, or boat, this kit has you covered. What people say. Excellent assortment of fuses, neatly organized and clearly labeled. Covers all the sizes I could possibly need for cars, trucks, and equipment. Great variety of amps, well organized. Small case with wide variety of fuses, both full size and short fit. Number 3. WUPP 12V Fuse Block with LED Indicator. This fuse block quickly addresses electrical problems. When the current exceeds limits, the fuse blows automatically. Each circuit has an LED to show if a fuse has blown, making it easy to find and replace. Tired of messy wires? This fuse block offers 6 dedicated fuses and grounding points. It keeps your wiring organized and accessible, simplifying the installation of electronics in your vehicle or boat. This fuse box offers broad protection. It handles up to 32V input and 100A current, with each circuit supporting up to 30A. The nickel-plated copper components resist corrosion and ensure excellent conductivity. Safety is a priority. The base is made of PBT flame retardant material. It's insulated, heat-resistant, and flame-resistant, preventing issues like fractures, deformation, or short circuits. The package comes with everything you need. It includes various fuses, labels, and screws. This ensures you have the right components for your electrical setup. What we like. This fuse block features LED indicators that instantly signal when a fuse has blown, making troubleshooting a breeze. It also keeps your wiring neat and organized. If you value ease of use and a tidy electrical system, this fuse block is an excellent choice. What people say. Nice and organized. Extra fuses. It works exactly as it should. I am now able to connect different devices to the 30A of power I have coming off my lithium batteries to the 48V to 12V transformer. I like that I will be able to see visually if the fuse is blown without having to look at the element of the fuse. I also like the cover with labels so I know what is connected to what. It made my electrical installation much cleaner. Exactly as described and shown in the picture, complete with fuses, and ready to install. Number 2. WUPP 12-circuit fuse block with LED indicator. Tired of guessing which fuse is blown? This fuse block features a red LED indicator that lights up immediately when a fuse fails. It makes it easy to pinpoint the problem and get you back on track. Say goodbye to messy wiring. This fuse block provides 12 dedicated fuses and ground locations. It keeps all your wires neat, organized, and easily accessible, making your vehicle's electrical system a breeze to manage. Built with environment-friendly PBT material, this fuse block is mechanically strong, insulated, and heat-resistant. It meets all the standards for a reliable fuse box, ensuring it won't easily fracture, deform, or cause short circuits. Whether you're upgrading your lighting or adding power windows, this fuse block has you covered. With a 100 amp capacity and 30 amps per fuse, it's designed to protect all your electrical components. The package comes with everything you need to get started. It includes a variety of fuses, labels, and screws. This ensures you have the right components for your specific needs. What we like. This fuse block has LED warning indicators that light up immediately when a fuse blows, making it easy to identify and replace. It keeps your wiring clean and organized, and is made of durable, safe materials. If you want a reliable and easy-to-manage fuse block for your vehicle or boat, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to wire up and works great. It came with a good variety of fuses. This is a solid piece of work. As an engineer, I appreciate that the LED to indicate a blown fuse does not light in solely the absence of fuse continuity, but also checks to see if there really is something to be powered with a fuse intact. The total capacity, the variety of fuse sizes, and screws rather than push-on connections, all speak to a well-thought-out design. Number 1. Rapid Fix 12V 6-way fuse box. This fuse box features a red LED indicator. When a fuse blows, the corresponding light illuminates immediately. This makes it easy and safe to identify and replace the faulty fuse. Made from fire-resistant PBT material, this fuse panel is built to last. It offers high mechanical strength, excellent insulation, and resistance to heat and flames. You can count on it to avoid issues like cracking or short circuits. The 12-volt fuse block includes a ground bus kit. It provides 6 dedicated fuses and 6 ground locations. This keeps your wiring neat, organized, and easily accessible, making your setup clean and tidy. Whether you're working on a large lighting setup or adding electric windows, this fuse box has you covered. With a 100A capacity and 30A per fuse, it provides ample protection for all your electrical projects. The package includes everything you need. It comes with a variety of blade fuses, labels, and screws. It's a complete solution for your automotive or marine electrical needs. What we like. This fuse box has a red LED warning light that illuminates immediately when a fuse blows, making it easy to find the problem. It's made of fire-resistant PBT material, ensuring safety and durability. If you want a safe and organized fuse solution, this is a great choice. What people say. Good quality. Works as intended. Easy to connect. Great design. Distribution of power is as it's supposed to be. Well made and good quality, made for an easy install. Needed something to distribute power in other areas of my boat. So far works like it should, keeps the wiring neat and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.